When every second counts, your floor can't slow you down. In fire stations, EMS bays, and public safety buildings, the pressure is constant with heavy vehicles, chemical spills, dirt, debris, and rigorous cleaning. A standard concrete floor just won't cut it. At CustomCrete, we provide flooring systems built for real life in public safety environments. Without the right surface, floors become liabilities. Cracks and seams trap oil and moisture. Harsh cleaners degrade coatings. Hot tires from trucks can delaminate poorly installed systems. Repairs and downtime interrupt your readiness, and slips or trips can injure crews and increase liability. That's not a risk any station should take. Here's how we solve those challenges. Our floors are engineered to handle heavy vehicles and hot tires without cracking or peeling. They resist fuel, hydraulic fluid, de-icers, and harsh disinfectants so chemicals won't damage your surface. Seamless, non-porous finishes eliminate joints and seams, making cleanup faster and more effective. We also install with minimal downtime, with off hours, weekends, or in phases so your crews stay operational. Not every space demands the same floor, so we tailor your systems, urethane cement, or heavy epoxy for apparatus space, polished concrete or decorative epoxy for offices, and slip-resistant coatings with code base for locker rooms. We can even integrate safety markings, line striping, walk zones, and parking stalls directly into the flooring system, so they last as long as the floor does. Picture a fire station with an aging bay floor. Cracks were spreading, oil stains were embedded deep, and every repair caused downtime. After we installed a seamless urethane cement system in the apparatus bay, epoxy coatings with safety striping in the walk zones, and polished concrete in the common areas, the results were immediate. Slip and trip incidents drop, cleaning becomes faster, maintenance costs go down, and the appearance matches the professionalism of the crew inside. Your station doesn't have downtime to spare. Your crews deserve a floor that works as hard as they do. At CustomCrete, we guide you in selecting the right system, tailor it to your layout, install it with minimal disruption. Request a quote today, and let's build a floor that supports your mission every day and every call.